Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros 20 not mopping or leaving your floor dry. Okay, let's begin with the first thing. Checking the clean water tank. It's on the top of the dock station. You don't see it now, but once I remove it, you'll see it. The clean water tank is marked with this symbol. There's also a dirty water tank, which you should also pay attention to, and this is what it looks like. The dirty water tank should be empty. Once there's something in it, remove it. Just empty the water tank by opening the latch, empty it, rinse it with water, close it, and put it back in. The clean water tank should be filled. So fill it in until the top, maybe not the most top, just like leave a margin there, of course, and then close it and put it back in. Make sure that it's seated correctly. Push it in so it lays flat in there, and then try seeing another thing, whether your mop pads are seated correctly. Once you flip the robot over, this is what it should look like. The mop pads should be there. You can remove the mops. They are attached with magnets. You can see it'll go back automatically. It retracts the mop mounts automatically. I can now put it back in. You can see once I get close to it, it automatically does it. You can see how it retracts. I can push them in, and now they should be working.
Mop mount installed.
Then, if none of that helped, make sure that you have the correct settings in the app. In the app, select the bottom left corner, and then make sure there's a mode that includes mopping selected. So the vacuum mode will not mop, but the mop mode, vacuum and mop, or vacuum followed by mop, will mop. And then make sure correct water flow is selected. I recommend setting it to 15, which is the medium water flow, and that should help you. You can also try making the water flow even higher, but don't go to the very top, don't go to level 30, because that may leave your floors excessively dry, leave smudges on the floor, and the robot may actually get slippery and slip on the floor. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.